Can you see ba my screen? PDF,
Yes, ma'am.
Adobe? Okay. How about yung iba? Nakikita ninyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, sige. Like I said, this is gonna be our last module, Module 8, and we're gonna talk about operating budget. So, here's the objectives. Discuss the advantages of budgeting, analyze the computational formats and their interrelationships, and understand the different types of budgeting concepts. So, what is a budget ba? A budget daw is a realistic plan expressed in quantitative terms. Take note, quantitative. Kapag budget, may mga numbers talaga yan. Hindi pwede yung gagawa ka ng budget, pero words lang lahat ng nasa budget mo. Ano lang yun? Plano lang yun. But if it's in quantitative terms, then it's called a budget. It's for a certain future period of time. So kapag gagawa ka ng budget, it's for the future. Kasi wala ka nang magagawa sa past mo. It's historical, past, sunk cost, wala ka na magagawa doon. So, when you're making a budget, you're making it for your future plans, whatever that is. Advantages of budgeting. Actually, class, I'm gonna leave this to you for you to read na lang because they're pretty much self-explanatory naman because we're gonna concentrate on the computational side of this module kasi medyo hindi naman gaanong marami yung prepare ko ng mga problems for you so that we can practice kasi yun nga we don't have activities anymore sa mga modules so practice tayo para in preparation for your final exam na lang kasi mas maganda kasi fresh pa kung this today is Monday and you're gonna take the exam say for example 26 on Thursday so medyo fresh pa no mas maganda kasi yon pag medyo fresh pa yung topic especially sa computational para hindi nyo na kailangan mag-review ng manood ulit ng video ng yung save format sa YouTube. Yeah, these are the advantages of budgeting. Paki-read na lang. And then the computational formats, nakalagay dito na you should refer to the PowerPoint for the presentation and the examples are also presented there. Now, there are 10 types of budgeting concepts. Paki-read na lang din because di na tayo masyadong um, take time discussing this because definitely kapag kasali to siya sa exam, ano lang din naman, parang identification lang yung lalabas na kung isasali ko if ever ito sa exam ninyo. So, better na kapag mag-e-exam ka, open your notes so that may reference ka. Kasi theories lang naman ito. Okay? So, 10 lang yan. 10 budgeting concepts. Please read. And we're gonna move forward sa ating dun sa ano talaga sa actual where's my screen hide and I'm gonna share with you the PowerPoint. Dito tayo magko-concentrate class because this is what's important kung paano i-solve. And I'm telling you, your exam will cover only 3 modules because the last time we met, we discussed 2 modules and for tonight, another module. So 3 modules lang yung coverage ng exam ninyo but take note, dadamihan ko. At least siguro 50 items and most of those items will be computational. So, please review. Kung gusto nyong panoorin ulit yung YouTube video for the discussion, you can do that. And makinig ngayon, tonight, para hindi nyo na kailangan pang i-view ito ulit or panoorin ito ulit. Para yung i-review mo na lang is yung previous meeting natin. Because I know, nakalimutan na gito siya. So, let's just be honest with that. Malimtan lang man na siya dayon. So, wait lang. What are you sweet? Ay, wait. Bakit mali? What's that one? Management. Mali, 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 mali. Parang mali ata yung sinishare ko. Can you see my screen na ba?
Yes, ma'am. Module 8 na siya.
Ay, yeah, very good. So, Module 8, it's the operating budget. So, bakit ba kailangan may budget yung operations? Ito yung i-discuss natin tonight. Ay, wait lang. Bakit na? Wait lang ha, dagdagan ko. Kita kulang. Merchandise. Tama ba? Yun. So, we will discuss 3 types of budgets for tonight. Actually, marami din ito. Pinili ko lang yung I think na madali lang nating maintindihan para di kayo masyado mahirapan. So, these three formats, these 3 budgets, all belong to the master budget. It's one of the types of budgeting concepts presented doon sa module ninyo, yung naka-PDF. So, basahin nyo na lang yun. So, we're gonna talk about 3 types of budgets: the budgeted production, budgeted materials purchases, and the budgeted merchandise purchases. So, before we go ahead with that, let me explain to you first bakit kailangan, or ano ba ito? What are we gonna talk about tonight? Next slide. Yun. There are different types of inventory. Ano ba yung inventory? Ito yung binibenta ng company. Now, there are 3 types of business organizations. A business can either be a service business, a merchandising business, or a manufacturing business. Service, ito yung pinoprovide mo is services lang, like abogado, law office. Yung pinoprovide nila is law services lang din. Consultation or notarial, ganon. Pag merchandising, ito yung klase ng business na bibili ka ng sapatos, ibebenta mo yung sapatos din. It's buy and sell. It's retail. That's merchandising. Itong manufacturing, ito yung palagi nating problems, sample companies natin, sample problems natin before manufacturing. Ito yung bibili ka ng mga materials and then ipoprocess mo siya and then you're gonna sell a finished product na totally different from what you originally purchased. So kung bibili ka ng kahoy, raw materials mo yung kahoy, ipaprocess mo siya, and ang ibebenta mo is yung table na. So that's your finished goods. Now, itong dalawa lang because the service industry generally has no inventory. Kasi nga, yun nga, yung ino-offer nila is services. Hindi sila nagbibenta ng products at all. Merong iba, like halimbawa sa dental clinic, though yung main source of income ng isang dental clinic is yung services ng dentist. Siyempre, nagbebenta rin siya ng mga, anong tawag dun? Basta yung sa mga ipin-ipin. Yung mga, basta ganun, mga braces or anything. Pwede rin yun. Pero generally, kapag service yung business, no inventory. Service business do not carry inventory. Now, sa merchandising, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, buy and sell lang ito. Bibili ka ng shoes, benta ka ng shoes din. Bibili ka ng bag, benta mo rin yung bag. Ganon. Now, dito, sa 3 types of budgets na i-discuss natin tonight, itong dalawa, itong first 2, the budgeted production and the budgeted materials purchases, itong dalawa, they pertain to manufacturing. Because a manufacturing business carry actually 3 types of inventories. Ito yung mga inventories ng manufacturing. Raw materials or direct materials. You can also call this direct materials. The work in process inventory and the finished goods. Raw materials, ito yung raw materials, yung kahoy. Yan yon. Yung work in process, ito yung mga yung kahoy na naumpisahan ng gawin or naumpisahan na siya in production pero at the end of the reporting period, hindi pa siya tapos. That's why it's called work in process inventory. Itong finished goods, ito yung mga mesa na, mga tables na, yung pwede na siyang ibenta. So again, sa manufacturing, the manufacturing business keep three types of inventories: the raw material inventory, the work in process inventory, and the finished goods inventory. So please take note, magkaiba ang raw materials sa finished goods. Itong raw materials, ito pa lang yung kahoy, yung binili mong direct material that you will use in the production of your table, kung yun man yung business mo, or furniture. Itong work in process, to yung hindi pa tapos pero naumpisahan na yung mga kahoy, kumbaga na-assemble na, pero hindi pa talaga siya pwedeng ibenta kasi nga hindi pa siya tapos. So work in process inventory yon. And then your finished goods. Ito na yung mga furniture na pwede mo nang ibenta anytime. Now, they are inventory because at the end of the reporting period, maybe some of them ay nandyan pa. Kung hindi ka just in time, yung just in time type of inventory system, kapag hindi ka ganun, definitely meron kang inventory. Kasi sa just in time, bibili ka ng direct materials, ipaprocess mo agad, ibebenta mo agad. Pero kapag hindi ka ganun, most likely the business is keeping inventory accounts. So ito yon, itong tatlo sa manufacturing: raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. So itong first two, the budgeted production and the budgeted materials purchases, they pertain to the manufacturing concern. Itong pangatlo, the merchandising concern. Pero actually, itong dalawa, itong budgeted production and budgeted merchandise purchases, if we compare their formulas later on, magkaparehas lang yung formula nila. But itong dalawa, ito yung magkakabit: the budgeted production and the budgeted materials purchases. So let's move on kung ano ba yung format in computing in the preparation of the budgeted production. Wait, I'm just gonna check. Okay. Sige. So here's the formula for budgeted production. First is budgeted sales. Ma'am, nganong budgeted ang sales? Ibig sabihin, ito yung forecast, sales forecast. Like for example, for the month of January next year, January 2021, the company forecasted that it's gonna sell like 20,000 units of their products. So that's called budgeted sales. Kumbaga, ito yung nafo-forecast ng manager na magiging sales nila in the future. So first line item would be budgeted sales. I hope you're taking notes. Although I'm gonna forward this naman. But I just hope you're taking notes right now. So again, the first item would be the budgeted sales. Given ito, class. Given ito, always a problem, ha? Don't worry. Given yan. And then you're gonna add desired ending finished goods inventory because we are talking about production, the budgeted production, like I said, this pertains to the manufacturing concern. Kaya finished goods ang tawag sa inventory. Kasi nga, ano yung sabi ko kanina, how many types of inventory does a manufacturing concern keeps on their books? How many types of inventory yon? 3, yes. And this one is one of the 3, the finished goods. Ito yung pwede nang ibenta. So, budgeted sales, i-add mo yung desired ending, yung gustong i-keep ng company as their ending finished goods inventory, and add mo yung dalawa for the total. I-less mo yung beginning finished goods inventory. And after that, you're gonna have your budgeted production. Now, ganito yung presentation, yung format, but kapag maraming months, kasi usually sa budgeting, maraming months ang tawag nito, ang affected. So, itong first column na to, this probably would be your first month or your first quarter, and then mag-a-add ka ng mga another columns dyan. Depende sa problem. Depende sa kung anong gustong makuha ng problem and sa mga given na data. So, budgeted sales, add yung ending. Take note of this kasi baka malito ka. Yung i-add mo yung ending, hindi yung beginning. Yung beginning, ile-less mo to get your budgeted production. Now, sabi ko kanina, itong budgeted production and budgeted materials purchases, magkakabit yan. Because you cannot compute for this one, itong budgeted materials purchases, kung hindi mo muna gagawin yung budgeted production. So, here's the format for the budgeted materials purchases. Now, why did I say na hindi mo mako-compute ito kung hindi mo i-compute mo na yung isa? Because the first line item here is the budgeted production. That's actually the bottom line of the first budget. Ito yung first natin na format. And the bottom line here is the budgeted production. Ito yung ifo-forward mo sa budgeted materials purchases mo. It's actually your first line item. Okay? So, wait lang. Bakit wala to? Yung... Yan. So, budgeted production, imo-multiply mo siya kung how many materials ba ang kailangan para ma-produce ang isang product. Because itong budgeted production class, this is actually in terms of units. This is not in terms of peso amounts or dollar amounts. This is in terms of units, number of units, because we're talking about production. How many ba yung ipoproduce based sa budget? Now, when you get your budgeted production, you multiply it by the number of materials required for each unit of product. For example, yung budgeted production is 20,000. And then, given sa problem mo na for every unit of product, gagamit ng 2 units of materials. So, yun ilalagay mo dito 2. Your budgeted production times 2. Then, you're gonna get your total materials to be used. I-add mo yung desired ending, materials ha, not the finished goods. Iba kasi yung finished goods. Sa computation yun kanina ng budgeted production. I-add mo yung ending, yung gustong ending inventory sa materials ng company. Then you're gonna total it. Ile-less mo yung beginning. So actually, yung formula, halos magkapareho lang. I-add mo yung ending and then ile-less mo yung beginning to get your budgeted materials purchases. This also is in terms of units of materials. Pero pag sinabi sa problem na how much will be the cost of the budgeted materials purchases, dapat given din sa problem yung cost per unit of the material para meron kang i-multiply. So these again are in terms of units. Okay? And then this one, the last budget, this pertains to a merchandising concern. If you can see, halos magkaparehas lang siya nung kanina. Budgeted sales, i-add mo yung desired ending, but this time, merchandise inventory na. Hindi na siya materials inventory, hindi rin siya finished goods inventory. Because a merchandising concern does not keep those types of inventories. Yung kinikip lang na inventory ng merchandising concern is the merchandise inventory. And then, ilalas mo yung beginning, and then you're gonna have your budgeted merchandise purchases. Kung magkano ba yung bibilhin mo next month so that makover mo yung gusto mong sales and makover mo yung gusto mong ending inventory. Because it's very important na yung company na not implementing a just-in-time inventory, it's very important that they have finished goods or inventory on hand. Kasi what if may bibili? Tapos wala kang inventory. Then that's, lost sales. So, dapat talaga, sa mga ganitong klase ng company, meron kang inventory on hand. Para anytime kung may bibili, meron kang ibebenta. That's why, merong desired ending merchandise inventory, yung mga companies. So, sige. Mas maiintindihan niyo yan to solve 10 problems. We're gonna solve 5 problems for tonight, and then we're done. Okay? So, first one, the most simple problem. Hershey Company had budgeted sales of 90,000 units in January, 120,000 units in February, and 180,000 units in March. So, if you can see, may given yung problem na 3 months. So, you can automatically make a table. Then, you prepare 4 columns. The first one is for the account titles. And this 3, yung sa mga months. So, January, and February, and March. The company has 20,000 units on hand on January 1. If Hershey Company requires an ending inventory of finished goods equal to 20% of the following month's sales, the budgeted production during February should be, so yung gusto ng problem is yung budgeted production. So tingnan natin yung format, how to compute for budgeted production. So this is it. Budgeted sales, add desired ending inventory, total, ilalas mo yung expected inventory. No. Ilalas mo yung beginning inventory and then you're gonna have your budgeted production. So, sige. Let's budgeted sales. Add mo. Ano ang i-add dito? Ang beginning or ending?
Ending, ma'am.
Ending. Very good. Ending inventory. Tapos meron kang total. Ilalas mo yung beginning. Beginning inventory. So, meron ka ng budgeted production. So, sige. First, let's use the data that was given in the problem. So, ito, budgeted sales daw ito, 90,000 units in January. So, we can put this one out, and yan. Are you following what I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, pinlot ko lang yung given na mga data sa problem. And then, sige. Ito. The company has 20,000 units on hand on January 1. Where do you think should I put this one? This 20,000. Saan ko yan dapat ilagay? Where do you think?
Sa beginning inventory.
What column? Which month?
January.
January, very good. And then, you should deduct this for mamaya. So, i-ano na lang natin. Para matandaan natin that, you should deduct that. Now, hindi ko pa siya ma-compute kasi kulang pa yung data ko. Ano yung kulang? Alin dyan yung kulang? Para ma-compute ko ang January. Wala pa akong,
Ending inventory.
Yes, wala pa akong ending inventory. Now, paano ko kaya siya i-compute? Based on this assumption, yan. Paano ko kaya yan i-compute? Ang ending inventory ko for January. Sige nga.
Ano, ma'am? 20% of 120K.
Very good. How much is that? Kaya wala ko calculator. Please,
Sige,
ano na lang.
Okay. Wait, ma'am. $24,000, ma'am.
24,000. 4,000. So, magkano tong dalawa? 114. Add, tama, no? 90 plus 24 is 114. And then, ilalas
Yes,
ko yung 20. So, magkano yun?
94,000, ma'am.
94,000. So, yeah. Did you get it? First, pinlat ko tong sales kasi given naman siya. And then ito, this is actually critical, no? Kasi pag dito mo yan nilagay, for sure mali na. Now, how do we know na ito yung beginning? Kasi nga, it is on hand on the January 1st. So, beginning talaga siya because the ending of January is January 31. So, this can never be the ending inventory. Ito yung on hand on January 1, which is the beginning of the month. So, doon ko siya ipa-plot sa beginning inventory. How do we compute for the ending inventory? It's actually given. Ang gusto daw ending inventory ni Hershey is 20% of the next month's sales. Wait lang ha. Wait lang pala, wait lang. Yeah, hello. Sorry for that ha. Naglawi mo basura. So, saan na ba
Okay lang,
tayo?
ma'am.
Saan na ba tayo? Yeah. Yung ending inventory. Yung gusto kasing ending inventory ni Hershey is 20% of the next month's sales. Na baka nagtataka kayo, these are actually in terms of units. Units ito lahat. We're not, hindi ito siya peso amounts. So, naka-units ito lahat. So, ilan ba yung tawag nito, gustong ending inventory ni Hershey? Actually, given siya sa problem, 20% daw ng sales for the next month. So, the next month, after January, the month after January is February. So, 120,000, ita times mo by 20%. Wait, somebody's sending a message. Okay. Hi, Jillian. And then, yeah, you can actually compute now for your budgeted production because you already have the sales, you already have the ending inventory, and you already have the beginning inventory. So, meron ka ng 94,000 for January, but ang gustong makuha ng problem is not January, but February. So, kailangan pa natin itong isolve. Dili po ta pwede nga magdiretso of February because there are data here na kakailanganin mo to solve for February. So, sige nga. How much will be the ending inventory for February?
36,000.
How did you compute for that?
Ano ma'am, 180,000 sa March na units times 20%.
Very good. So, 36,000. And then, i-add mo, that would be 156. Dito, how much will be our beginning inventory? What do you think? Wait somebody's, ano kasi? Sige nga. Ano kaya ang beginning inventory ko? Masosolve ko ba siya?
94K, ma'am.
Not quite. No, hindi. 94K is the budgeted production. Ito yung gusto mong i-produce for January so that you can cover up your budgeted sales and your desired ending inventory. But it's not your beginning inventory. Nasaan kaya ang beginning inventory ng February? Kaya nga. Hanapin nyo.
24.
24. It's 24,000. Remember, the ending inventory of the previous month will be the beginning inventory of the next month. Kung anong ending nito, syempre kung halimbawa, January 31, ito yung inventory niya on hand. Syempre, pag February 1, at the beginning of the month, yan lang din yun. So, yung ending inventory before, for the next month, magiging beginning inventory siya. You will forward it as a beginning inventory. Nakuha, class? Nakuha ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, actually, kapag gagawa ka ng table, pwede lang naman na siya ipang partner-partner. Pag na kay amount dire, pwede na ka magbutang dire. Nya ang amount mo dire, mag-base dire. Tama ba? Yung amount mo dito, magbe-base dito, depende sa kung anong given sa problem. In this case, sa problem natin, 20%. So, 180,000 times 20%, yun yung 36. Itong 24, galing din siya doon, 120,000 times 20%. But always, that's not always the case, ha? Depende pa rin sa problem. So, always read the problem. Now, how much will be this? Magkano to? 132?
32.
132. So, the answer for problem number 1 is D. Yan na to. Itong pulahan. Yun. So, questions?
None so
Dali.
far, ma'am.
Nano, dali lang siya, bye. Maganahan siya kong budgeting before. Okay, once na makuha lang niyo na siya, ang kanang murag pattern, you're good to go na. Pero careful lang. Okay, so sige, let's move on to the next problem. Uy, nitaas. Nitaas ang problem. So sige. Tasho Company has budgeted sales of 90,000 units in January. So basically, parang parehas lang siya nung kanina. Yeah. Halos same lang siya. Meron lang mga additional data. 120,000 units in February and 180,000 in March. The company has 20,000 units in finished. Wait lang. Wait lang ha. Now, makikita nyo dito, I prepared 2 tables. So, for sure, ma'am, duhag yun ka budget atong himuon. Kanina, I told you, itong dalawa, magkakabit yan. Kasi actually, dito sa problem natin, yung hinahanap is the how many pieces of materials should the company plan to purchase in January. So this is the budgeted materials purchases. This one, which you cannot solve without solving this one first. That's why dalawang table na yung pinrepare ko because we're gonna prepare 2 budgets. The budgeted production and the budgeted materials purchases. So, dahil alam natin na dalawa nga, lagyan muna natin ng mga labels ang mga tables natin. So, January, Feb, and March. Lagyan na lang din natin sa baba. Feb, and March. This first table will pertain to our budgeted production. Production ito ha. Budgeted production. And dito, ito yung materials purchases. Kasi yung gusto ng problem is yung materials purchases daw. Yan. So, like kanina, sige nga, what's the first line item here? Nung label nun?
Budgeted sales.
Budgeted sales. Very good. And then what?
Desired ending finished goods inventory.
Desired. Wag na natin sabihin yung desired na yan. Ending inventory na lang. And then total. Anong ilalas?
Beginning inventory.
Inventory para makuha mo yung budgeted production. Sa budgeted materials purchases, let's check kung ano ba yun. First is the budgeted production. So, sige, kopyahin natin. Budgeted production. See, you can actually just continue this table right here. Pero kasi nga, yung last item dito would be the first item here. So basically, you can just make a table na parang nandiyan na lahat. Pero yeah, para mas makita nyo lang ng maayos, iniba ko na lang yung table. Ano nga yun? Quantity of materials. Oh. So, ita-times ko siya sa quantity per unit. Kung ilang units ng ilang materials ang gagamitin per unit of product. So, quantity per unit. Meron ka dyan. Ang tawag dun? Total materials to be used. Total materials. And then, pwede mo nang i-kopyahin lang ito. Add ending inventory. But take note ha, dito sa production budget, ang finished goods yan. Okay? Kasi nga, di ba, there are 3 types of inventory sa manufacturing concern. This one pertains to the finished goods inventory. Dito, add mo yung ending raw materials, RM, raw materials, inventory. Meron kang total. Less mo yung beginning. So, same ano lang siya, no? Parang same formula. I-add mo yung ending, ililess mo yung beginning. Don't forget that. Beginning in RM ulit. This is RM. So that, kuha mo yung budgeted raw materials purchases. Mamaya. So, yung gustong makuha ng problem actually, how many pieces of materials should the company plan to purchase in January? Ito. Itong box na to. Kung anong sagot natin dito mamaya, ito yung gustong makuha ng problem. So, ang dami pa natin i-fill in na mga tables, na mga boxes. So, sige. Let's fill in what we can. First, in this sentence, pwede na tayong mag-fill in. Saan ko yun ilalagay?
Budgeted sales ng January.
Budgeted sales. Very good. So, 90,000. Baka kasi malito kayo, dito nyo ilagay. So, mali na yun. Okay? So, that's why it's also very important, although tedious siya, yung gagawa ka pa talaga ng table, it actually helps. Kasi maraming data na ibibigay sa problem, baka malito ka kung saan mo siya ilalagay. Kasi may mga tricky na problem, no, na kahit mali yung formula mo, pero yung sagot nasa choices. So, yeah, that's very sad. The company ito, try natin kung saan natin to pwedeng ilagay. The company has 20,000 units in finished goods inventory and 35,000 pieces of materials on hand on January 1. Sige nga, saan ko ilalagay itong 20,000? Where am I gonna put this one? 20,000 units.
Sa beginning inventory mo.
May dalawang beginning inventory. Which one?
Sa production.
Yes. So, dito yan.
Finish.
So, i-ano ko na lang siya kasi ilalas din yan mamaya. And then the 35,000, saan ko ilalagay?
Sa, beginning na materials.
Okay, very good. Careful din kayo kung saan nyo ilalagay yung mga given na data. Kasi pwedeng malito. So, yeah, magbasa ng maayos. And
basa-basa lang dyan.
sige, each unit of product requires 5 pieces of materials. This is actually very important. Saan ka ito pwedeng ilagay? Yung data na yan. Saan ko kaya yan pwede i-insert?
Quantity per unit.
Yes, very good. So, pwede ko na yung lagay dyan. And, same lang yan for all the months. Applicable yan siya sa lahat ng months. So, pwede kong ilagay hanggang March. January, February, and March. Now, the desired inventory of finished goods and materials at the end of each month is as follows. Ito na. Finished goods, gusto niyang ending inventory daw is 20% of the next month's sales. So, sige nga, give me amounts, tell me saan ko ilalagay.
24,000, ma'am, sa production and the inventory.
Very good. 24,000. So, that's 120,000 times 20%. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sige nga, give me amounts pa. Any amount lang.
Total, ma'am, 114,000.
Ano?
Total, 114,000.
114,000 total. O, sige, ano pa?
$94K, ma'am, ang budgeted production by January.
Okay. So, ano pa?
36,000 sa
Sa
ending inventory sa Feb.
dito?
Yes po. Yes po.
36,000. So, ano pa?
156,000.
6 total. Ano pa?
24, ma'am.
24. Very good. Dito, do you mean here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Na, ano pa?
132 ang total.
32. Then, ano pa? Pwede na ba tayong mag-proceed sa next budget? Actually, ito class, itong March, yung parang labas nito, irrelevant siya kasi hindi mo rin naman mako-compute ang March. Why? You can compute you can fill this one out, 36. Pero wala kang amount for this. Wala kang data for this because the budgeted sales for April is not given. So hanggang dyan ka lang. So actually, palamuti lang yung March, but also relevant din in the sense na you would need the budgeted sales for March to compute for your ending inventory in February. Tama ba? So ito, hindi mo to siya masosolve. But again, yung gusto lang naman ng problem is the budgeted material purchases for January. So ito yung goal natin. So sige nga. So we're done now with this budget. Dito na tayo sa
Budgeted production, ma'am, 94,000 under January.
Very good. Tapos,
Times 5, ma'am, 470,000.
470. Okay. Kayo na bahala sa amounts kasi wala akong calculator. Ano pa?
Go, Jolina.
Manuklod. Manuklod man di ay.
Ladies first ba?
Sige nga. Dili pa ginato siya masolve. Wala pa tayo ending. Dun, 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 bum, bum, bum. Kaya niyo yan, class.
Ma'am, ang iyang ending inventory gani ma'am kay 33,000. Tama ba ma'am?
Dito,
Yes, ma'am.
paano mo kinuha?
Ano ma'am, bali since ang February 132,000 ang iyang budgeted production times 25%.
Okay. Magkano to?
33,000 ma'am.
33,000. So, magkano yan? 503 ba?
503,000.
Magkano to?
468,000.
468,000. Wow! Nasa choices. But actually, class, hindi ko siya tinap kanina si Julina because I wanna show you na kapag mali yung ginawa mo, maybe nasa choices pa rin yung sagot. Because actually, this is wrong. Okay? Hindi ko lang siya pinigilan kasi I just wanna show you na kapag mali yung ginawa mo, maybe nasa choices pa rin yung sagot. So, mali na. Okay? So, this is
Okay, ma'am.
actually wrong. Okay. Thank you, Jolina, ha? This is wrong too. And this is wrong. Because, kasi di ba, ifo-forward ko rin to mamaya, di ba? Tama ba ako? Itong
Yes,
Feb,
ma'am.
kung budgeted production niya, kokopyahin ko lang din. Yung ginawa kasi kanina is, dito mo kinuha yung 25%, which is wrong because you have to multiply it first by 5.
Oo, tama mo na ang nalimtan.
Yeah. So, sige nga, ano nito? Product. 132 times
660,000, ma'am.
660,000. Dito mo kukunin yung 25%. Okay, class? Be careful with that, ha? Dito mo kukunin yung 25%, hindi dito. Okay? Imo-multiply mo muna siya sa quantity per unit. And then, you're gonna get your total materials. Dito mo kukunin yung ito yung basis mo for your ending inventory. So, how much is 25% of 660,000?
165,000.
Magkano?
165,000.
165. So, magkano ang total? Help class kay bugo jud ka ikog ka ng manumano god.
635,000, ma'am.
635,000. So, budgeted RM 65 yung 65. Kaya ko ni 600,000. So, you see, nasa choices pa rin. Yung kanina, yung ginawa natin, nasa choices pa rin. So, you have to be very careful. Okay? Alright.
Paatik.
Yan. So, January lang naman and actually hindi rin naman ma-compute ang February kasi nga walang data dito. Itong ginawa ko lang yung table para mas madali lang siyang maintindihan. Because actually ganito rin ako mag-solve kapag tawag nito, kapag sa papel. Ganito din ako mag-solve. Ipa-plot ko pa rin yan lahat kahit alam ko na hindi ko rin naman magagamit itong ibang columns later on. So, yeah. Any questions?
None so far.
None so far. I really love that answer. None so
Ma'am.
far. Yes, ano?
Yun sana pagkuha nga ng very good sa production sa January ka na.
Sinel ni.
Isang
Wala, ma'am.
Bago kang matanel.
Dili mo yun. Nanginar ako, ma'am.
Asa man?
Karing
Asa na
24,000 ng bag. Yun sana. Times. Oo.
Okay. This is 20% of next month. So, next
Next month.
month sales is 120 kasi given man, di ba? The 20% of 120. Ito yon. Tapos itong 36, 20% din siya ng next month. So, 180,000 times 20%. So, murag magkakabit na siya kana. Tapos kana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ano na sila. Yeah. Other questions? Pag sure ha, kay kamo akong pasulbon sa ikatulo. Di ko magsaba-saba. No questions? Sige, let's see. Sige nga, sagutan niyo yan. Walay choices by? Sagutan niyo.
Kasi, big tama na ang answer, mabalik.
Sige. Mas challenging ba yan? Walay ko ano?
Parang ako to ba?
True.
Sige. Kaya niyo yan. Or pwede tayong pwede kong I can solve with you. Like, tell me kung anong isusulat ko dito sa mga tables. Para na alam mo yung murag
Sige.
visual presentation dira on your end. Sige. Sugwa ko ninyo sa akong i-type.
Go, Julina.
Dagan kay kag fans Julina pa.
Ano, mabura niya ako after lang. Ang months mo, January, February, March, April.
Aww.
Oh, see, di ba? Na.
10, 5, March, April. Sige, Nel, ikaw sunod. Unsa pa akong isunod pangsulat dire. Ikaw bahala.
Go na nila. Ikaw na sa
Budgeted production.
Isa lang kakuan. Isa lang kalinya. Hello.
Budgeted production, ma'am.
Ano na?
Budgeted production.
Asa na ko ibutang?
Sa, sa upper table.
Asa dapit sa upper table.
Sa first cell. Cell ba tawagan?
That's wrong. Budgeted production, first table, first cell.
First table, budgeted sales.
Yeah, budgeted
Okay.
sales.
Formula, dito siya sa budgeted production. Iya pa sa
Budgeted sales. Ano pa?
Ending inventory.
Okay.
Add, ma'am, sorry.
So, ano to? Beginning or ending?
Ending, ma'am.
Ending. Ending inventory. Tapos, total na siya, ma'am. Ako na ni. Tapos, dito.
Less beginning inventory.
And then,
Budgeted production.
yeah. Insist yun ang budgeted production.
Kailangan i-redeem ang self.
Yeah, budgeted production. So, sige nga. Isa pa. Pa kung ipang fill in the raise.
900, ma'am, sa January. Sa ano, ma'am? Sa budgeted sales. Under January.
Tapos,
1,000 for Feb. 1,500 for March. And 1,800 for April. Baka muna, guys.
Nel, ikaw na bahala na, Nel.
okay, di rin na magsugod ba ya? Di na makita ang katag.
Ending inventory, ma'am, kay 400 under January. Tama ko, ma'am?
Very good. Then,
1K.
Then,
Beginning 360.
ano?
Beginning, ma'am, 360.
Very good. So, magkano yan?
940, ma'am.
940. Yuy, may nakompleto na tayong isang column. Kompleto man sa nato ni siya bago ta mga answer dere. Okay,
Napagay
bahalag.
kulang.
Ansa man?
Label, leather bags.
Ay, char. Leather bags. Tapos dire sa baba, unsa man eh?
Zipper.
Zipper.
Zipper. Oh my gosh.
Important na for
Oh yes,
context.
important po ba siya
Ah.
actually. Because actually, ito yung finished goods mo, the leather bags, and then ito yung materials, the zipper.
600, ma'am, under ending inventory sa February.
Ending inventory sa February is 600.
Yes, ma'am.
40% ba yan ng ano? 1.5? Tama.
1.5, ma'am.
Okay. So, this is 1.6. Kaya ko na ni. Ito pa.
Minus 400. Beginning inventory.
So, kaya ko na rin to class. 1.2. Sige. Ano pa?
March, ma'am, 720 ang ending inventory.
Tapos, is this 2.2? 2.20 ba yan?
Minus 600.
Kano yan? 1,620? Tama ba? Magkano to? Na, 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 na.
Ma'am, 1620.
1,620. So, ano pa?
Baba sa zipper, ma'am, kay budgeted reduction. Then, times quantity per unit.
Quantity per unit. Then what?
Total materials.
Oy, in fairness, nag-take note yun si Jolina. Then,
Add ending inventory. Tapos total.
tapos,
Less beginning inventory.
then,
Budgeted materials purchase.
yes na lang. Purchases. So, sige. Let's fill in.
Doon na nil.
940.
940. Tapos,
1.2 for Feb, tapos 1.620 for March.
then,
Mababam, 8 ang iyahang per unit. Quantity per unit.
no. No.
Wait.
Quantity, 8 per unit is how much the zipper is cost. Yun yung costing niya. Kasi in-outsource daw, ibig sabihin binili. But, sabi ko nga, dito sa budget natin, we are talking about units lang. We're not talking about amounts. This is an amount. So, how many zippers ang kailangan to in a leather bag? Yun lang, hanapin mo. How many zippers?
3.
Yeah, 3. Ayan o. 3
times
zipper
100.
type packets. So, sige class, din ako ni Kaya.
Wait.
2820.
2820.
820.
Then 36. 4860, ma'am.
4860. Sige. Next. Two kiss of
Ma'am, 720 ang ending inventory. Tama ba, ma'am? Ang 1-2 times sa 60%.
Yun yung mali mo kanina.
Ay, gani, wait lang. Mag-dirigid ko perminti masang.
Baka.
To 160, ma'am. Tama na ni.
Is that 60% of 3,600?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. To 160. Sige. Kano to? 4,980? 4,980 ba? Tama na? Bugua po di mo mamoy simple ra kay na ma'am dito.
Tama, ma'am. 4980, ma'am.
Hindi,
And
ma'am.
then,
Tao lamang.
minasyon ko sa manual math. As in, nang masanay ko kag-calcu. This one, ano to? How much is the beginning inventory of the zippers on January?
1620, ma'am.
Yun, kita rin. It's actually given. Ito yun. 1620. Just like what you did sa leather bags, yung January 1 inventory, nilagay nyo dito, same din sa gagawin nyo dito. 1620. And you're gonna deduct it from your total. That would bring you to magkano? Ilan? Budget
3360, ma'am.
3,360. So, itong February, ma-fill in pa ba natin to? Do we have enough data to compute for this one, for this column? What do you think? Do we have sufficient
Wala.
data?
Wala.
Wala?
Naa, ma'am.
Yeah, sige nga. Ending inventory.
2916.
How did you compute for that?
Ano, ma'am? 60% sa 4,860.
Very good. Magkano? 2,916?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And then
516.
6,516. Ito.
2160, ma'am.
Very good. 2,160. It's actually yung ending inventory from the previous month. Ito na yung magiging beginning inventory mo. So, magkano ang budgeted purchases? Mm, mm, mm.
4356, ma'am.
4,356. Okay, let's move on to the next month. March, do we have sufficient data to compute for the budgeted purchases of March? Co-compute ba natin to?
Dili, ma'am. Kaya wala man tayo makuhaan nga ano niya, ma'am.
So, ito, hindi na siya mako-compute because wala ito. Walang total materials for April kasi nga, wala tayong budgeted production kasi hindi rin natin na-compute kanina because we don't have enough data. So sige, dahil tapos na natin yung table, hindi naman doon nagtatapos yung usapan. Actually, kailangan talaga nating i-provide what is the requirements.
Yes, ma'am.
So for number 1, budgeted production of leather bags for the first quarter. Ilan? How many units?
Three 760.
Very good. 3,760. It's the sum of the January, February, and March budgeted production. Be careful kasi maybe hindi lang isang month yung gusto niya but the first quarter, the January, February, and March. Kasi maybe nasa choices din ito. Kung multiple choice ito, kasi na lang ni sa choices. Nya, abtik ka ni answer og 940, ma'am.
Paatik na sad, ma'am.
Yeah. So, careful.
Basta
Ask the
Okay.
questions
Ugaliing magpasa.
carefully. Yes. Second, budgeted purchases of zipper for February.
4356, ma'am.
4356. Third requirement, hindi ko to siya tinuro. Pero actually, class, dali lang kayo siya i-solve.
So,
Adamang.
labor.
Nandito sa problem yung formula, how to solve for that. So, I'm just gonna wait. Because this is an amount. Itong dalawa, units yan. 3,760 units, 4,356 at 4,356 units. Ito, this is an amount. Budgeted direct labor cost.
Ano, ma'am?
Because
$50.
$50. Mm-hmm. No?
Oh, wait. March.
12,000.
Sa daw?
12,000 daw, ma'am.
Sa mukha eh. Gusto ni mo pagpuan. Gusto ni mo pag compute sa 12,000. Sige nga. For March ha, for the month of March.
81,000.
Very good.
Ang bahay.
Ayo. Sige nga, explain to us. Paano
Ah, ano, ano na ako, going back to our previous lessons, identify na ko para ma-feel ni mo ba? I mean, so I identified the factors tanan DL which is nakabutang man sa problem na each bag requires kato 5 hours to produce at a rate of 10 per hour nga siya. So that's 5 times 10, 50 multiplied by the budgeted production of 1,620. So mao na siya for the month of March.
Yes, very good. So, because na-compute na natin to, we will produce daw, ideally, we will produce, based on our budget, we will produce 1,620 pieces of leather bags based on our budget. So, dahil the requirement number 3 is asking for the direct labor cost, so magkano ba ang gagastusin sa pag-produce ng isang unit ng bag? So, each bag daw requires 5 direct labor hours at a rate of 10 per hour. So, yun lang. Multiply lang. 1,620 times 5 times 10. And you have your 81,000. Nakuha? Hindi ko siya tinuro, but ano mo ganun siya, common sense lang. So, questions. We have 2 more problems.
Yay!
Yay! Questions na ay mga items diri nga wala ka kabalo. Asa nag-ikuha, ma'am? So actually ito, pampagulo lang. Hindi mo naman nagamit eh. Itong data na to, pampagulo lang yan. Maybe pag itanong na how much is the total cost for the budgeted purchases of Zipper for February? So you can multiply lang 4356 times 8. Kapag cost gusto niyang makuha yung hinihingi ng problem. Kasi kapag cost class, yun na talaga naka-amounts na yun. But kapag yan lang, parang silent lang siya, budgeted, that's actually talking about units lang. And malalaman mo naman kasi sa choices, syempre kapag amount yan, may mga peso sign yan or dollar signs. So, dahil na siguro question, no? Dali ra siya, ma'am. Sugod ta diri, ma'am. Dali ra kayo. Pagkabot diri, dali ra kayo, ma'am. Kabalo nami, ma'am, asa mi dapat mag watch out. Asa mi mag kanang diri, ma'am, dapat dili ni mao akong i-multiply. Pero i-multiply sana ko siya 5 pag una ko kwaon ang 25%. So, mo po na siya diri. So, mo na siya ang pinaka-importante lang tandaan. Pag-abot na diri sa materials, kay bas nagi tendency nga kaniimuhang kwaan o percentage, which is wrong, dapat dito. Multiply mo muna siya sa quantity per unit. And then yun, yung beginning inventory, dapat naka-less. Ending inventory is add. And naka-base siya sa, depende kung ano sasabihin ng problem. Pero usually talaga, it will base on the next month's data. Depende na lang kung anong klaseng data. So, sige. Fourth problem. Give me a letter. The letter of your answer. This is actually merchandising concern. Di siya manufacturing concern. Pero like I said kanina, yung formula ng budgeted production and the budgeted merchandise purchases is pretty much the same. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung formula natin, budgeted production. Budgeted sales, add desired ending finished goods inventory, total, less expected beginning. Then you have your budgeted production. Sa budgeted merchandise purchases, pretty much the same. Binago lang yung name ng inventory. Kasi nga, in a merchandising concern, they only keep the merchandise inventory account. Wala sila yung finished goods. So, budgeted sales pa rin, add desired ending pa rin, total less expected beginning pa rin. And you will have your budgeted merchandise purchases. Hindi na siya production because a merchandising concern does not produce the products it sell. They only purchase it retail, buy and sell. So, sige. Answer this one. Give me a letter.
January, February, March.
Ha? Ano mo na? Give me a letter lang. Mamaya natin i-show ang solution. First, give me a letter. Kung anong answer nyo.
Ano ma'am? Letter A.
Wrong. Letter A is wrong.
Ba't doon na nagpili?
Uy, kung kisay mo answer, kaya siya may mo explain.
Letter C, ma'am.
Yes, that's correct. Galing talaga ng girl natin.
Yawat.
Sige.
Yawat.
Yeah. Feb and March. So, this is budgeted sales. And, mga i-add ang ending. Total. Less beginning. Inventory. And this is the budgeted purchases. Sige nga, Jolens.
Sige, ma'am. 15,000. Tapos, 1,000 ang ending inventory. Tapos, 16,000. 1,000. 15,000, ma'am. Then, February, 20,000. Tapos, ang iyong ending inventory kayo, 1,150.
1,150. Ganyan.
Yes, ma'am. Is equal to 21,150 less 1,000 equals to 20,150. Tapos, ang budgeted sales sa March, ma'am, kay 23,000.
So basically, ito lang yung kailangan natin. Yan. So, yeah. Clyde, saan ka nagkamali?
Wala ako nabotog table. Gimatama.
Ay, wow!
Gano'n na ako.
Naalala.
Gano na ako. Amot nga ako akong train of thought. Pero akong gibuhat is ang March, ako ang 5%, tapos ako alang gi-add sa 20,000.
Yeah, pwede naman gid siya. But, mo na, dili lang gid kay siya nga naka-safe.
Dili siya accurate.
Yeah. Safe QR code. Nga wala gapon na implement. Wala ni mo ata na deduct ang beginning inventory.
Yes, wala.
So, maupod no, naghapon siya sa choices. So, yeah. It's,
Sila dyan patik, ma'am.
yeah, dili patik. Ayaw, pag mag-exam, tagaig pog time inyong exam, respetuhi sad.
Of course.
Maglaan ka rin ng scratch paper for your exam. Kay, last na lang baya. So, yeah. Sige. Ben, lalagyan ba natin ng answers? So, ito yung answer. I-ano ko lang ha. Ipula ko lang. Para sa iba na hindi naka-attend. So, yeah, that's 20,150. Dali lang kay siya mo. Gidaghan ako ni. Anyway, last problem for management accounting. Last problem for management accounting na yun ni siya. Class. Yeah, give me a letter. Plus.
Ma'am, try lang.
Mm-mm.
Letter C, ma'am, 132.
Yes, it's 132. Yay, we're done! So, ano yung kaning uban diri? Naghulat lang man na sila sa imo, Day. Nga mo hatag answer.
Pasin na lang yung unay.
Yeah, so yung budgeted sales and ending inventory total less beginning budgeted production ba to? Yeah, production. Budgeted reduction. Sige. Julina, fill me in.
First quarter budgeted sales, ma'am, is 120. Tapos, yung ending inventory is 48,000. Then, total niya 168,000 less 36,000 na beginning inventory is equal to 132,000.
Ilan to?
132,000.
Ay, mo lang
Tama
yun.
ba na,
Kinahanglan
ma'am?
na. Yes,
Mo gani, ma'am, naabot pa kong second quarter of food.
Yeah, kasi yung gusto niya lang naman talaga is yung
First
for the
quarter lang, ma'am.
So, yeah. Yun na. Tapos na.
Koreas na, Jo. Tama tagan, sir.
Oh.
Tik lang.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're done. Yun lang. Tapos na. Expect a lot of
Ano may
problems like this, ha, sa inyong exam.
Sige,
Kay...
ma'am. Kanaan daghana, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, kana, ma'am, kay fresh pa.
Kay para fresh pa, no, na isali ka po na to ang sa ganito, module 6 and 7. So, I suggest, siguro kailangan yung panoorin ulit yung video or yung PowerPoint. Just try to solve the problems without looking at the answers first. Nga naman na, basta mag-review, di ba? Answeran mo siya, imuhang tabun-tabunan ang mga answer para di ko mo makitaan. Tapos, you try na makuha nimo siya na ikaw lang. So, yeah. Good luck ha sa inyong exam. And dadamihan ko. Dadamihan ko ang items. Babawi ako. Kasi wala kayong activities. Wala kayong activities for finals. So, dadamihan ko yung exam ninyo, yung number of items. And I suggest, please read the modules. Because may mga theories din na mas dali kung theories. Kaya basahon lang nimo, pangitaon lang nimo sa module. Mas dali actually ang theories. Kaya dili na ka mag-solve-solve. Mag-analyze na lang kagamay. Tapos pangitaon nimo siya sa modules gamay. Ano din kay score. Pero daghanon ako ang computation. Sige lang, dilipit ako mamag sa class. Ganahan lang ako magpalisod-lisod sa inyo. Saman, question. Jam! Wala ka pa naka-exam. Naka ba si Jam?
Yes, ma'am.
Si Jam. Hindi ka pa naka-exam, no?
Hindi
Midterm?
pa, ma'am. Apo, sa midterm.
Pero yung prelim, okay na.
Apo, okay na, ma'am.
Sige. Just try to take your midterm exam. It's up to you. And the final exam, I will post it on 26, as early as 8 a.m. And di na ako magsaset ng deadline. Kay kapoy kayo nang mag-set kag deadline yan ay mo hangyo, ma'am, pag-i-open usab ang exam kay wala ka take. So, dili na lang nato butangan og deadline. So, it will be open for submissions anytime. Ay lang po ninyo paabutag next year, no? Kay murag kinahanglan ako mag-submit og grades. So, mag-submit, I don't know kung kailan yung deadline namin sa submission of grades. But, I think mga pa po na next year. Pero please, ayaw lang mong kaabot og New Year. I-take na ng exam ninyo para goodbye 2020, wala nang, tawag nito, huwag kang lilingon sa management accounting. Para done na talaga for ano. So, I suggest, like you said, fresh pa nga, so take nyo na sa Thursday. As long once na makapag-review na kayo doon sa ibang modules. 5, ang coverage would be module 6, 7, and 8 lang talaga. Dili na ako mag-include og topics from previous kay kapoy na kayo to pang reviewon ang tanan. So 6, 7, and 8 lang jud. Sige, daghanan ako ning 8 kay para medyo fresh no. Yeah. So other concerns, other questions before we end management accounting. Yeah.
Open forum.
Usa man, maghilak-hilak ta?
Kita daw na ako, ma'am.
Sige, mag-picture ta. Oh my God, oily kay ko.
Wala ko ka-red teacher lang.
Sige, kamusta?
Go, Julina.
Kisa man
Go,
kayo
Jo.
nag-suggest? Kisa yung nag-suggest?
Na.
Jai, good ma'am. Sinil, good ma'am.
Mo gani. O sige, pakita sa anak dira be. Ipang kuan
Ano,
sa
ma'am?
na. Panghipusa sa ng mga brief. Basig nagkuan-kuan dira. Unsa man, wala man good. I'm gonna stop recording na ha. Okay, mabatian ni sa where is that? Wait, I'm gonna download the attendance list first. Saan ganito? Nakalimutan ko ko eh. Download attendance list. Yeah. So, man? Nihapon na ta.
Tara, mga daw.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Thank one for attending our final. Uy, ara na siya di. Ay, wait lang. Saan gani pag-turn? Where is it? Can you see me? Cannot see myself.
Wala, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Oo, nagod na siya.
Ju, kita na,
Ayun.
Ju.
Nakita na.
Ayun.
Uy.
Yeah, hello. Hi. Saan ni pag screenshot be dali lang ha. Wait lang, si Norvik wala pa.
Sige,
Norvik?
mag-picture ta.
Yes, ma'am. Wait lang po.
Lang, sige na.
Bilis ko, ma'am.
Ako na no. Uy, on the spot na ni siya nga ano.
Oy, ayaw ninyo na pa-screenshot akong mga alingag-ngag dira. Sige ha. Mag-screenshot pod mo. Saan ka mag-screenshot? Yeah. So, sige. 1, 2, 3, smile! Wait lang. Na-capture ba to? Isa pa class.
Wala lang is Mary Rose.
Yo, wala si Mary Rose. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, thank you.
Ay, class
Thank
picture.
you.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you,
Good one.
ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ay, niho mga kuan hakin sa pagani walay submission. Si Norvik, kulang ang submission, walay exam. Jillian, wala kay activities for midterm?
Wala ko nakapasag ma'am.
Wala. Feeling na ko wala. I-check lang ha. Ay, sige lang, I'm gonna PM you lang. And I think si Jillian ang highest sa midterm.
Wow,
Parang si Jillian
congrats.
nata. Pero nung yung first day actually kay murag pila pa lang ang nag-take, murag 5. Si Clyde ang first. Siya ang highest. Congrats na good unta ko. Pero yan, naalasan kang Jillian. Basta nakalimutan ko. Tarungan ninyo ang inyong finals, ha?
Yes,
Pag
ma'am.
tinarong next subjects. And thank you.
Thank
You for...
Thank you po, ma'am.
Pilak ka.
It's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure, good ma'am.
Sige.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye,
ma'am. Good
Management
night,
Accounting.
everyone.
Good night.
Bye. Bye.
Good luck.
Good night, ma'am.
Next exam.
Bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.